All right, we're going to make a quick video so you can learn how to use the Facebook events tool so that you can put a pixel code on a button on one of your landing pages. That's mainly the reason or the way we've been using it. There's other uses that you can get out of it, just to set up your pixel events a lot easier than it used to be. But I'm going to show you how we use it here specifically for like lead gen type things. That's pretty much how we've been using it for now. So you're going to go inside the business manager and you're going to go to the pixel section over here under data sources and search for your pixel, then open in events manager. All right, once this opens, it's very easy. All you have to do is go over here where it says settings, and you're going to need the URL of the page where we want to use the tool, and we want to set up the events tool, which the events, which I'll show you here in a second. But once you click on settings, you can scroll down. First, I wanted to point out this automatic advanced matching should be checked on for every pixel. This just gives us an extra advantage there to be able to pick up some extra sales that we might not have otherwise. For example, all it is it's going to use all these extra things here so that Facebook can match the person that match the event back with your ads manager, if that makes sense. It just, like I said, it's just an extra ninja pixel thing there. You can read more about it if you want to come over here, click learn more, read more about that. But this is about event setup. So we're going to come here and we're going to click on open event setup tool. And then it's going to ask you here for the URL. So in this particular case, it's this one here. All right. And then once you paste it in, you go open website. So once this opens up, this little event setup tool pop-up is going to show up. In this particular case, I already have it set up. So you can see here, it has a little icon to notify you that it is set up correctly. We set up a lead event code on each one of these buttons. Why? Because we're going to ask people to click on it, and it's going to open up their WhatsApp, or click on it and schedule a Zoom call inside of our Calendly. And all we want to know is if people are clicking on this, and one, we can report it as a lead to the customer, and two, we can use it to better optimize our pages. Okay, so in this particular case, it's not going to let me track a new button because we don't have any more new buttons at right now. So let me show you on an example of how I would actually set it up on another page. Before I do that, I just want to go back here and I'll show you. If we come back here under overview, you could see the lead event code has fired off already a couple of times, last received 1 hour ago. We do have some ads that were live, then we turned them off. I think they're back on now. I'm not sure, but the point is, like, it is working here and it's tracking things. And then if you go inside view details, it'll show you the URL where it actually tracked last time. All right, which is our funnel there. Okay, let me show you another example. Let's use the example for Genuine Crafts Pixel. So open up the pixel here, go to settings. Obviously, you have to make sure you're an admin of the pixel, which I just had to make myself because I came down here and this was grayed out. It didn't even let me, for example, this was off and I couldn't turn it on and it wouldn't let me click on here. That means you're not an admin or you're not even access on our business manager. You haven't been given access to the pixel. So make sure you always have access to the pixel before you come here. But we're going to open up the events tool and I'm going to go to their website. Okay, the pop-up shows up here as normal, and then you can see there says no events found on this page. Let me see why. We just have the page view. Okay, that's why. That's not really an event, I don't think. Is it? I'm not sure. That's a good question. So let me see. I would verify the pixel is correct. So the pixel ends with 5937, and the pixel ID here is 5937. So it is the one. Okay. Let's see. Let's try that again. I guess maybe it doesn't pick up page view only when there's other events. But check it out. This is what I was going to do. So if we hit here, track a new button, I actually want to track when people click this join the club. And then I'm going to add it as a, let's see, maybe we'll add as a contact event. Schedule, search, start trial, submit application, subscribe, view content. All right, let's just choose contact for now. So every time somebody clicks here, we're going to fire off an event of contact, and then you just click confirm, and it's that easy. Okay, so let's see here. If there's anything else we can kind of practice with. Join the club. Okay. Oh, it's actually it recognizes the text on the button join the club, and you can see here button text is join the club, so it automatically added it to this one right here, which is pretty cool. So you don't have to do redundant work there. All right, let me know if you have any questions about this, and make sure you always track at this level if you cannot. So this also comes in handy when you have like, let's say you're going to send traffic to maybe Amazon. So on the landing page, on your pixel where it says maybe shop now or something, you put the add to cart, or maybe you'll put the view content event on there. Or maybe on your whole page, you already have the view content. So on the button itself, you add in like add to cart, and maybe that lets you track things a little bit easier. All right. Let me know if you have any questions.